Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a SHIN Godzilla Among Us crewmate skin. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the little face shield. So I'm going to start right here on my paper, and I'm just going to draw a line that goes out. It's going to curve down and come back to about here. Next, you just want to draw a line down to connect them. Now, starting up here, I want to draw a line that goes up and then over. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to go up, and I'm going to bring it over, and then I'm just going to come down to here. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over, and then I'm actually going to bring it up like this. I'm going to start the next one. I'm going to go over and then up, and then one right here, over and then up for like some little toes. Now I'm going to bring this up a little bit more, and I'm going to go over here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then I'm going to go over and then up. Same thing here, over and up, and then over and up one more time. Now, starting here, I want to draw some little arms on here. So to do this, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a little line that goes up. It's going to go down and up for a little finger. I'm going to go down and up here, and then down and up one more time, and then I'm just going to bring it over here. Now, starting right here underneath the face shield, I'm going to do kind of the same thing. I'm going to go out and then bring it over. Draw a line down and up. One more here. And then one right here that's going to curve over. And I'll draw a little line up. Then right here I'm going to draw a line that goes down and connects to the toe or the feet. Now, starting over here, I want to add the little pack. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to draw a line that goes over. It's going to go down and come over like this. And then I want to add a tail right here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and it's going to curve out like this. Starting right here, I'm going to make a little oval shape on here. So it looks like another little face shield. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes over, and then it's going to curl around back to here. Then I'm going to make a little zigzag line right there for kind of like a mouth. Next, I want to add a few spikes back here. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line that goes up and down a couple times. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here, just go up and down a few times. I'm going to repeat this a couple times along the back here. And then I'm also going to add a couple little kind of pointy spike shapes along the tail too. I'm going to put one more up here. We'll put a little kind of spiky shape. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down here, and then another one that goes down here. And I'm going to draw a little line that goes up and then down for a little detail along the body. And there you go. There is your drawing of a SHIN Godzilla Among Us character. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.